No, don't hold it. Then you'll just bomb your face off. Tiny. Who wants to wear my gloves?
Right then, it's going to be
It's been nice week. I'm getting some blankets. Jaden, just stand up! What are you doing here? Stop it! You're practicing, you lot. Look, watch it. What, you ready?
Yeah.
Yo! Quiet! I had to say no. Here they go! Here we go! You go. No, wait, not yet! Ready? Sit down. Come on, Steph. 3, 2, 1! The bingo! 3, 2, go! Boom! Now do the other one! Don't hit the head, Dad.